Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. This purple package was sent by Levon, sorry, I always mess his name up, of the Knife Nuts podcast. If you're not subscribed to the Knife Nuts podcast, or you don't listen to their podcast, which you can find by Googling Knife Nuts podcast, you definitely should. There is so much entertainment. And also, Levon is probably the most up-to-date individual in the knife world. He seems to know everything about what's going on everywhere. And it's also where you get stuff, or you get informed about stuff like, the Sharp by Design production Tempests and Evo Typhoons and KNP exclusive this or that. What I'm saying is it's a good Instagram account to follow, it's a good YouTube channel to follow, and it's a good podcast to listen to in general. I can't remember what it is, though. I have no idea what this is. So we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I want to give his shipping info out to the public. So we're going to carefully make a cut and stay on this side of it. And is this... Yeah, this is the exclusive that he did here recently, which was pretty cool. Yeah, the Real Steel Luna, if you guys remember this. It's been a bit since I've handled one of these, but this was a recent exclusive that they did over at KNP. And yeah, I remember this knife. This is a cool little knife. Do I need it? There it is, that side. All right, so we've got jade on this guy, some peel ply textured G10. Little super skinny little pocket clip, and then we have, that's right, this is a, that's nice. This is a slip joint. Look at where the mid stop is, or the half stop. That's like a 60% stop. That's cool. Yeah, that's a nice little slip. That's just real satisfying. G10 and D2, this is a nice, inexpensive little knife. I will link where you can get these. I think they're still available. But I'm going to make sure that you guys can pick these up. These are inexpensive, and it's just a nice little super slicey slip joint. D2 and G10 with a nice skinny little pocket clip. So yeah, let's take a look at this here real quick. Thanks, Levon. I appreciate that. Comes with some literature. There's all your specs right there. And here's a little thing that you can read about it. You guys can pause. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Nope, we're okay. But yeah, very cool. There's a little thing that you can scan. I have no idea what this is, but there you go. You can do that with your phones. Yeah, like this. That blade is going to be ridiculously, that's a ridiculously slicey blade. Trying to give you guys a look at the taper there down to the tip. Needle-like. It's nice to have something that's this small and compact, and, it still has a pocket clip. Not a huge fan of the goose bill here, but everything else about this knife is pretty good. Pretty sure the other version of the Luna that I handled was a frame lock, and that was the reason that I didn't like it. I think this makes way more sense as a... Here's why that's good. It's because if you're closing this with one hand, the blade, if it were to come here, is much more likely to slice your finger. But because it doesn't, and it's at an angle, it's much easier to close with one hand. That's a... If that was the intended purpose, that is a genius move. That is a sweet, sweet little knife. Very good. I will do a review of this because it's a different knife than the Luna that I handled a long time ago. A couple of years ago, I think, actually. So, really cool. Thanks again to Levon and the Knife Nuts podcast crew for sending this over. I'll make sure that you guys have all the links you could ever want right down in the description. Seriously, getting your hands on some of that really cool, rare stuff that I show on the channel all the time that's always KNP exclusive, this or that. These are those guys. It's worth following them. Absolutely. So, anyways, Full comprehensive review of this guy coming a few weeks down the road from now. That's going to be pretty much it for today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.